Side's perspective here. We're joined by Dr. Bharat Pankania. He's a senior clinical lecturer at the University of Exeter, and you've been with us many times on this issue, and appreciate you coming back. Important to mention, the UK government already ordering some 100 million doses in advance here. The Israeli government as well, putting in orders for this now. But how optimistic are you about these findings?
So the noise is very positive, and we must not forget that we've got about 26 trial vaccines being tried out all over the world, and the information from most of them is good. Therefore, any good government who can afford to forward plan must put in forward orders, because that way you can prepare and plan and be ready if we are successful. So it is a good investment to say we will have forward orders, and also to invest in industry in the plant to make large volume doses if you are successful in making the vaccine.
And that all-important question, if these trials succeed, realistically, in terms of expectations now, what's a realistic expectation in terms of how long it would take for this to reach the wider world?
I think we're talking minimum of 6 months from today, because remember, if a vaccine trial is entering phase 3, then you need to give phase 3 some time for it to show effect or no effect. And then we got to go into production after it has been safely licensed. And then once it has gone into production, we can scale up and start distributing. So minimum of 6 months. We're looking at 2021 if all goes well.
Now, even in that minimum time frame, this is faster than anything we've ever seen developed in human laboratories across the world. Here, certainly a vaccine like this now. So with this optimism, or at least seeing that all hands are on deck around the world, as you mentioned, labs around the world investing in this, probably top priority at this point. Are we learning more about the virus all the time?
Yes, we are, and this is a remarkable breakthrough in that we've never been able to get anywhere close to making a coronavirus vaccine. And the good breakthrough is, if we can do it for coronaviruses and we invest in making vaccines for other infections, that's also a good breakthrough. Because remember, we've abused antibiotics so much that antibiotics have started to become useless. So we will need to make vaccines for the things that we were previously treating with antibiotics. So it's good news all around, but we need to remain cautious for the coronavirus vaccine, because my issue with the coronavirus vaccine is, will it produce long-term immunity? That is the last final hurdle that I would really like clarification on. Is it long-term?
Well, Dr. Bharat Pankania from the University of Exeter, as always, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.